A very good morning, children. Today in Maths, let's continue with our topic equal sharing. So hope you all have completed the exercises that was mentioned in our previous class. So let's move on to today's topic. Today we have division of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. This time we are doing it with regrouping. So let's do that. Here you can see the numbers 56 divided by 4. So how we are going to divide it? Let's see. So we have the dividend 56 and the divisor 4. So how should we write it? We have to draw a line and the dividend inside the line. That is 56 has been written inside the line and the divisor outside the line. So 4 is the divisor and 56 is the dividend. Now which table should we check? We have to check the table of 4 because we have the divisor 4. But do you think that the number 56, you know how many times in the table of 4 you get the number 56? No. So what you should do? We will take the number one by one. So which number should we take first? Should we move from the ones place or from the tens place? For division, we always should start from the left side. So here we have 56, that is 6 ones and 5 tens. So here we have to start from the number 5. So now let's check. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So did you get the number 5? No. So now what we have to do? Either we have to get the number or just the number before the number. So here we have 4. We can take the number 4 because 8 is greater than 5. So 4 into 1 is 4. So write 1 on top of that 56 and 4 down under 5. And what is the next step? The next step is to subtract. So 5 minus 4. How much is 5 minus 4? It is 1. So write that 1 under 4 itself. So we got the number 1. Next, we have one more number left. So what we have to do? We need to bring the 6 also to down. Now how much we got? We have got 16. Now we have to see if this 16 is divisible by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. So we got the number 16. So write how many times? 4 times. So that 4 write on top and 16 under 16 itself. Now what is the next step? Again we have to subtract. So 16 minus 16. The number is 0. Is there any other number to divide? No. So here we have finished our division. So what is the quotient? The quotient appears on the top of the line. So 14 is the quotient and reminder it is 0 here. So this is how we divide using regrouping. Let's check some more examples. Here we have 58 by 2. So 58 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. So 58 should be written inside and 2 should be written outside. Now which table we have to check? We need to check the table of 2. And do you know 58, how many times it comes in the 2's table? No. So what we have to do? We need to take one by one number. So which number we have to take first? Number 5 we have to take first. So revise the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Did you get the number 5? No. So what you have to do? Just take the number before 5. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So we'll take the number 4. And how many times it is? 2. So where that 2 we have to write? On top of this 5. So 2 twos are 4 and 4 you have to write it under 5. The next step is to subtract. Now 5 minus 4, it is 1. So write that under this itself. So now what we have to do? We need to bring the next number down. Which is the next number? It is 8 here. So bring it down and write near 1. Now what is this number? It is 18. Now check in the 2's table how many times you get 18. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. So you reach the number 2 nines are 18. So you reach the number 18. So 2 nines. Where should we write the number? Write that number on top, and 18 we have to write it under here. And then again subtract. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. So what is the quotient? Quotient here is, that is Q. Q quotient is 29 and the remainder is 0. Let's do one more. Here we have 42 divided by 3. So let's check the number 42 divided by 3. So which table we have to check? We have to check the table of 3. So we have 42 as the dividend. Which number we have to take first? The first number, that is 4. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 6 is greater than 4. So which number we have to take? 3 ones are 3. So that 1 right on top and the 3 right under 4. And next we have to subtract. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So write it under it. Now what we have to do? We have to bring down this 2. Now how much did we get? We have got 12. Again we have to divide 12. So check the table of 3 again. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So how much did we get? 3 fours are 12. And again subtract. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So how much is the quotient? 42 divided by 3. The quotient is 14 and the remainder is 0. Let's check one more. We have 78 divided by 6. So 78 inside and 6 outside. So which table we have to check? We need to check the table of 6. Why? Because here we have the divisor 6. Now do you know 78 in how many times it is in the 6 table? No. So what we have to do? We'll take one by one number. So which number we have to take first? We have to take the number 7. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 and the 12 is greater than 7. So what we have to do? We need to take the number less than 7. So 6 ones are 6 and the next step is to subtract. So 7 minus 6, it is 1. Now what we have to do? We need to bring the next number down. So here we have 8, bring it down. And now we have got 18. So now let's check in the 6 table how many times it is 18. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. So 6 threes are 3 right on top and 18 right below. And the next step is to subtract. Don't forget to put the minus symbol there. So 18 minus 18 is 0. So how much did we get? 78 divided by 6. The quotient is, that is Q, is equal to 13 and the remainder is 0. Now let's do 30 divided by 2. So 30 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. So we need to check the table of 2. And do you know how many times 30 comes in the table of 2? No. So let's check the first number. So which is the first number? It is 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 4 is greater than 3. We have to take the number less than 3. So 2 ones are 2. And then subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. And what we have to do? Bring the next number down. Here we have the next number 0. So bring it down and write it here. So we got the number 10. So again check the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So how much did we get? 2 fives are, that 5 right on top and 10 below. The next step, subtract. And the 10 minus 10 is 0. So 30 divided by 2, the quotient, that is Q, is equal to 15. The quotient always appears on the top and the remainder is 0. So in your text, page number 72, you have the practice coach. So now let's check. A, 72 divided by 6. So for doing this, 72 inside and 6 outside. So which table we have to check? The table of 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Which one should we take? 6 ones are 6. 1 right on top, 6 under 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now what we have to do? Bring that 2 down. Now how much did we get? We got the number 12. Again, revise the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So that 2 right on top and 12 below 12 itself. So now subtract, and 12 minus 12 is 0. So 72 divided by 6, the quotient is 12. That is Q is 12 and the remainder is 0. So this practice coach, the questions write down in your notebook. Write today's date, write the question and do the problem. Next we have the B. 54 divided by 3. 54 inside and 3 outside. Now let's check the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we'll take the number 3. 3 ones are 3. Write 1 on top and 3 below 5 and then subtract. 5 minus 3. How much it is? 5 minus 3 is 2. So write that 2 under it. Now next step, bring that 4 down because we have the number 54. We divided only the number 5. Now bring that 4 downwards. Now how much did you get? You got the number 24. Check the table of 3 again. How many times you get in the 3's table 24? 3 8s are 24. So that 8 right on top here and 24 down. Now subtract. We got 0 remainder. 24 minus 24 is 0. So 54 divided by 3. The quotient is 18. That is Q is 18 and the remainder is 0. So always when dividing, write the quotient and the remainder. So similarly, you can do the rest of the exercises. So that's all for today. We'll be meeting in the next class. Till then, thank you.